Hello students, let us start with theorem. If A is a triangular matrix, then determinant of A is the product of entries on the main diagonal of A. What is theorem? If A is a triangular matrix, then determinant of A is the product of entries on the main diagonal of A. Okay, let us see proof. Let A be an upper triangular matrix given by A is equals to matrix A11, A12 and so on up to A1n, 0, A22 and so on up to A2n, 0, 0, A33 and so on up to A3n, so on up to 0, 0 and so on up to ANN. This is a upper triangular matrix of order n by n. Here there are more zeros in first column of A, so we will find determinant of A by using cofactor expansion across the first column. Okay, since there are more zeros in the first column of A, we find determinant of A by using cofactor expansion across first column. Cofactor expansion across first column. Therefore, determinant of A is equals to A11 C11 plus A21 C21 plus and so on up to plus AN1 CN1. Okay. Here A21 is equals to A31 is equals to and so on up to AN1 is equals to 0. Therefore, this formula becomes determinant of A is equals to A11 into C11, where C11 is nothing but minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 means 1 minus 1 square M11. Okay, and M11 is equals to determinant of A11. Okay, where A11 is matrix. A11 is matrix digit first row and first column. So A22 and so on up to A2n, 0 and so on up to 0. Here is A33 and so on up to A3n. This is up to 0. This is up to ANN. Okay, this is matrix of order n by 1 in n minus 1 into n minus Again here observe that there are more zeros in first column, so we calculate determinant of this matrix by using cofactor expansion across first column. Okay. Observe that A11 is also upper triangular matrix. Upper triangular matrix. Hence determinant of A11 is equals to A22 into C11, where C11 is 1, 1 cofactor of matrix A11. Here for this matrix, determinant of A is equals to, we are calculating determinant by using cofactor expansion across first column. So here formula is A11 C11. Here A11 is A22 plus A23 C23 and so on. Continuing this process, finally we get 1 by 1 matrix A n n. Okay. Therefore, determinant of A is equals to A11 into A22 and so on up to A n n. Hence, determinant of an upper triangular matrix is the product of its diagonal entries. Similarly, we can prove the result if A is lower triangular matrix. Okay. Therefore, if A is a triangular matrix, then determinant of A is the product of entries on the main diagonal of A. Okay. Hence, proof of theorem is complete. Okay. Let us see examples on this theorem. First example is find determinant of the matrix 2, 4, 5, 6, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 0 minus 1 5 6 9 0 0 0 0 0 2 5 0 0 0 0 0 1 by 2 3 by 2 0 0 0 0 0 minus 1 by 3. Here we have to find determinant of this matrix. This matrix is a upper triangular matrix because all entries above the diagonal entries are all non-zero. Okay? Solution. Since A is upper triangular matrix, therefore determinant of A is nothing but the product of diagonal entries. Therefore determinant of A is equal to 2 into 1 into minus 1 into 2 into 1 by 2 into minus 1 by. Okay. Here this 2 into 1 by 2 is 1, 2 into minus 1 by 2 is minus 1. So here is 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. So determinant of A is equal to 1. Okay. Let's take next example. Compute the determinant of a matrix A by cofactor expansion at each step. Choose a row and column that involves the least amount of computation. Matrix A is equal to 6 0 0 5 1 7 2 minus 5 2 0 0 8 3 1 8. Okay, this is a matrix. Here there are more zeros in third row, so we find determinant of A by cofactor expansion across the third row. Okay. Solution. Since there are more zeros in the third row, we find determinant of A by cofactor expansion across the third row. Cofactor expansion across the third row, so that it involves the least amount of computation. Therefore, determinant of A is equals to cofactor expansion across third row. So, A31 C31 plus A32 plus C32 plus A33 C33 plus A34 C34. Okay. Here observe that here A31 is equals to 2, A32 is equals to A33 is equals to A34 is equals to 0. Okay. Therefore, determinant of A is equals to A31 into C31, because A32, A33 and A34 is 0. Okay. Therefore, determinant of A is equals to, here A31 is 2 into C31 means delete third row and first column. So we have to find determinant of 0, 0, 5, 7, 2 minus 5, 3, 1, 8. Okay, which is equal to 2 into determinant of this is 0 minus again 0 plus 5 into 7 into 1 is 7 minus 3 into 2 is 6. Okay, which is equals to 2 into 5 into 1. Okay, which is equals to 10. Therefore, determinant of A is equals to 10. Okay. Let us take one more example. Third example. Find determinant of the matrix A is equals to matrix 4 0 0 0 7 minus 1 0 0 2 6 3 0 5 minus 8 4 minus 3. Okay. We have to find determinant of this matrix. Here matrix A is lower triangular matrix. Lower triangular because all entries below the diagonal are all non-zero. Therefore, this matrix is a lower triangular matrix. Okay. Therefore, determinant of A, by using theorem, determinant of A is determinant of matrix A is nothing but the product of its diagonal entries. Product of its diagonal entries. Okay. Therefore, determinant of A is equals to 4 into minus 1 into 3 into minus 3. Okay, this is equals to minus 4 into minus 9. This is equals to plus 36. Therefore, determinant of A is equals to 36. Okay, we will stop here. Thank you.